What's going on YouTube? Brandon Lechuga here, and welcome to 303 Streets. On YouTube, welcome to 303 Streets. This is Brandon Lechuga. Today, working on the Mini. There's the Lambo, GTR. Been working on the GTR too. As you can see, there's the undercover stuff. So, been working on both these cars. Anyways, gonna show you how to change out a headlight here really quick. Let's see if it pops up. It might not pop up. Turn off the AC. Alright, we'll start it over. Turn the car off. Take the keys out. Open the door. Restart everything. So today is actually a big project for a lot of stuff. A lot of things happening. So service due. Right high beam malfunction. Right brake light tail lamp malfunction. So the tail light's dead. The high beam is out. So I'm going to do both, but I'm going to do them as individual videos. So I'm going to probably cut and edit this, use this beginning for both videos. This is going to be the high beam and the low beam, or the high beam and the tail light. So depending on which video you're watching, you're going to see this for both videos. Anyways, so we're doing that today, an oil change, spark plugs because she's got a malfunction, and I think there's one of the cylinders isn't firing properly, so we're doing a bunch of stuff today. All these are going to be on separate videos, but anyways, we're going to do the right beam headlight. So what you're going to want to do is, as you can see, I took off these bolts because I actually dropped this to get to the headlight. So you take this, goes like that, don't let it fall down there like I did, and that's why I had to take the whole tail light apart. Anyways, so then you're going to go in through the back, twist it to your left, twisted it, get this out. There's going to be a little clip right here that you're going to want to, let's see, I don't know if you're going to want to push down or up. Let's find out. I wish I had my stand. Oh, let me look, see if I can find my stand. I'll just have to cut and edit it and tell you what I did. 1 second, back at it. As you can see, I got the headlight off. There's the little clip. Again, I had to press down. Ooh, there I go, dropping stuff again. Had to press down right here. So if you can kind of see, move, that we'll see the inside of it. See, so press down on that. Right there, right here. So we'll press down on, and that will get it off. So to put it back on, just do exactly what you did to get it off. Again, I have no idea where my thing is, but I'm gonna put this back on. Just kind of plugs in like that. So, of course, it's gonna plug in where the hook is. See that hook? And then there's the hook on the light right there. So that's how you're gonna plug it back in. Again, I don't know where my stand's at for holding my phone, so I'm gonna have to do it like this. Anyways, yeah, thanks for checking this out. You're gonna put it back in the hole, and twist it clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. So you'll just put it back in, twist it, and it'll lock it in. And then check if your high beam malfunction is still saying malfunction. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll go back to the car and start it up. There's a bolt here, down there, down there. If you have to take the headlight out, if you drop this like I did. And if you look, just go into those grooves right there. Clip back in to get it off. Clip that up. So let's go to the car, see if it's got any headlight or any malfunctions with that right headlight now. And I left the keys out there. Sorry about that. Doing too many things at once. There we go. Get the keys, go back in, go in here, shut the door. Let's see. Service overdue, fasten seatbelt, and the headlight malfunction is gone. So that was a problem. Yeah, easy fix, simple, and if you want to learn how to watch this next video. 303 Streets, this is Brandon Lechuga. That's how you replace a headlight on a 2012 Mini Coupe. This is the Countryman. I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple like that for all of them. And again, we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff in this video, so stay tuned. Thank you for checking out 303 Streets. Have a good day.